Duck Dogs, and I'm going to show you how to recreate 3 different Etsy slimes. So to do this, I just typed in slime to Etsy and picked out 3 different slimes that I thought would be fun to recreate for you guys. And these are not based on whose shop is the most famous or whose I like best. I just scrolled through and randomly picked out a couple that I thought you guys would like me to show you how to make. So remember to hit the subscribe button down below. That would make me really happy if you did that. And if you want to be featured at the end of one of my videos, comment down below #notification squad and hit the little bell right here to get post notifications whenever I post one of my videos. Remember to go follow my Instagram at GoldenOakDogs, and without further ado, let's get right to it. So this first slime is by Sublime Slimes 1, and it is called Bubble Bath Fishbowl Slime, and it is $9 for 4 ounces. So I'm going to use this Elmer's Classic Glitter Glue, and I'm just going to pour this in, and I'm going to pour in the slushy beads that I actually found in a Beanie Baby. So if you want to check out that video, it should be linked down below or popping up right here. And then you can't actually see them in this picture, but they had a few little white foam beads and those kind of resemble bubbles. So I got these at a Dollar Tree for just $1 during Christmas time, and they had them labeled as fake snow. So I'm just going to add in a couple of those. Next, you're going to want to activate this. So I, for the life of me, could not find a rubber ducky charm, so this little starfish here is going to have to be the closest thing. This next slime is by Rainbow Slimes. It is a blueberry butter slime, and it is $5 for 4 ounces. So what I'm assuming this is a really soft butter slime. It's not quite like a full butter slime, but it still has like that consistency, and we're going to make it very soft and stretchy. So first, you're going to want to mix lotion into your clay so it's nice and stretchy. So then I decided to pour a little bit of glue into the cup. I added a few pumps of foamy hand soap. Then I added some blue paint. Then I went in with my activator, but don't activate it all the way because you still want this a little bit sticky before you put in your clay. It was still a bit too tough and not the right color, so I went in with loads and loads of lotion. Also, this slime is very self-inflating, and I'm actually going to have to fill up 2 containers with just this one batch that originally fit into just one. For the final slime, I chose Ice Lemonade Jelly Cube Slime by Lucky Slimes Shop Co. And this was $6 for 4 ounces. So first, what you're going to need is some melamine foam, and this is marketed as a magic eraser. Just don't get the ones that have chemicals in them like bleach, because those can very badly hurt your hands, and we do not want that. So make sure you get chemical-free sponges, and then just cut them into little cubes like this, and then you can put them into your slime. Then, because I wanted this to be a very light tinted pink, I went in with a little bit of marker, which is washable, and colored the end of my mixing utensil, and began to mix it in with a little bit of activator.